Hey guys, Bodie back again, and we're doing another Teespring tutorial for you guys. So I've been getting a lot of positive comments, a lot of likes on the videos, a lot of subscribers, so please keep subscribing, please hit that like, and please keep commenting so I can engage with you guys and keep giving you the content that you're looking for here. So we'll keep it rolling. So today's video is going to be about a free t-shirt design app. So this is obviously crucial for doing your designs. This is something that I've been getting asked quite a bit. What are you using to do your designs? I've got a couple of these tutorials and shown just how I've done it on Teespring and a few other methods of doing it, but this is the app that you can use. And yeah, anyway, that's about it. We'll get into it and I'll show you exactly what it is. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's go. Okay guys, so the app that we're after today is called TypeArama. So as you can see, it's just down the bottom there. So we'll click on TypeArama. You can find this on the App Store. If I just go back out of this. So there is the free version, which I'm just going to show you here. But with the paid version, the paid version will get rid of the watermarks, and I'll show you what I mean. You also get these other sort of bonuses like projects and things like that. You know, save your designs as projects and continue editing later on. But there is quite a bit of free stuff obviously on here as well. So this is going to be good, and I'll show you some stuff you do with it. But also, it's not just a design app for t-shirts. You can use it for your Instagram posts. They obviously have a lot of these sort of stock images that you can do posts on. So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. You can even post onto that t-shirt just there, or that white t-shirt. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. So you can do designs like this and post to your Instagram. You can do just like, you know, let's say it's some sort of event like Super Bowl Sunday, you could do some sort of post, or a day at the beach, you could do this post here. And you can do different content like that for your Instagram. So that's really handy considering that we're driving a lot of traffic off Instagram. But let's just have a look here at some of the stock images here, the colors, sorry, that's what I want to go to. So the whole point here is that you can do the transparent background. So that is obviously how you're going to design your t-shirt design, and then obviously you'll be able to put that transparent background onto a shirt design. So just showing your actual design. So you just click on that, transparent, and then we're just going to go next. And then it's going to give you a heap of different ones here. Again, see these ones that say Pro. You obviously have to upgrade to the paid version for that, but it's only $4 a month. So if you think about that, $4 when you're selling a t-shirt for $10 profit, like $4 is not going to break the bank for anyone. So there's a lot of different stuff you can do though. So let's say we're just going to go this sort of text here. If you double tap the screen, you can type in, or you can put in get a random quote. So if you're struggling for ideas, you could go random quote. I haven't got time for arguments, bitterness and uncertainties. Life is far too short for things like that. The best revenge is massive success. That's hilarious that that's just come up because I absolutely love that quote. So let's go with that one. And then once you've got it on here, once you've got it on here, you can obviously play around with it. So you can go color and change all of this. So you could have it as red. You can have it how much you want it to sort of show out. You can have shadow as well. You can have gradient like that. So you could see the possibilities already on having like a really cool design on a shirt here. You've obviously got the eraser. You've got 3D rotate. Yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can obviously do here. So double tap on that. You can play with other stuff here as well. And then let's say that we want to download this one and have that as our type of text. You can obviously play with these along here as well. Let's say we go with that. Okay, share, we're going to go. Then it's just going to pop up an ad because it's obviously not the paid version. On the paid version, you won't have any issues like that. And then we're just going to go, we'll just go save, top left there. You can obviously send it to your Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or email and just go done. And then if we go into my photos, we'll see it down here. So as you see, this is a transparent background, but it's got made with TypeArama there. So when you do the $4 a month paid version, it gets rid of that watermark, and then you'll just have this, the best revenge is massive success, and you can have that. And also the thing is, with this is legally yours to be able to sell now. So you can actually, like, it is legal to use these on t-shirts and be able to sell them. So there is some apps like this where it's not legal to download the thing and then sell it yourself, but with TypeArama you do have that bit of legality there, so that's good as well. So this is on iOS. There is another app that's called, what's it called? Word Swag, which is for Android. So if that's what you're looking up, if that's what you're using, sorry, that's what you would look up. And it's very similar, pretty much exactly the same app, and it'll do all the same sort of things. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Please give the video a like. Any questions at all, comment down below. And yeah, I wish you the best of success. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.